Tickets are configured at two levels. Firstly, at the company level, where you'll be able to configure some company-wide foundational settings across all of your tickets projects, and then also individually at the project level as well. So to start with, I'll focus on the company setup, which is accessed by clicking on the company tab in the top left-hand corner here, and then clicking on company setup. And from this first projects page, you'll actually be able to enable tickets in bulk across all of your projects by using this tickets toggle here. So once you've toggled on tickets for the projects that you want, you can then move into the actual configuration section, which is accessed by clicking on this tickets tab here. So the first thing that you'll see is the company portal, which is accessed through this portal link or by a QR code. And this will allow users to raise tickets against all of your projects within your company. So they'll just need to select a specific project, and then from here they can fill out the rest of the details, including the location, title, etc., which I'll dive into a little bit deeper a little bit later. The next thing you'll see is categorization, which when your teams are closing out and managing your tickets, they'll be able to assign a root cause and a responsible party so that you can track, report on, and then ultimately reduce rework across all of your projects. So to start with, I'll show you root causes. By default, this will be blank. You'll just need to add a group, for example, materials. And then once you've got your group, you can add the root causes within it. So in design, for example, I've put one here for poor design details. I'm going to open up materials and then add another root cause saying incorrect materials used, hit save. And now I'll be able to assign these root cause options in my tickets, which I'll show you a little bit later. Next, I'll show you the responsible party. So if I click into view options, by default, when you're assigning a responsible party, you'll be able to add any company that has actually been added into Visibuild across your portfolio, but you'll also be able to add some custom options here for people that you haven't invited into the project or into your company. So if I hit plus option, I'll be able to put in a name and then also assign a discipline and then click save. So the last thing that you'll see are the email notification settings. So the email that you put in here will be the default email address for your company, and they will receive all new tickets and replies. So a lot of companies will put in a default company-wide tickets inbox here, but this can be completely customized to whatever email inbox you want.